We've got the 1600 again. We hooked up a turtle, baby. Whoa, check the guy out. Alright. Okay, we've got the Elite Tech Inshore. Man, yeah, it's a big one here. I'm gonna have to take a couple out. Last time I fought one was 2 hours and 17 minutes, okay? 2 hours and 17 minutes. This is a tune-up here. Let's get tune-up for the Daiwa. Tune-up for the Daiwa. Tune-up for the Daiwa, gangy. Testing them out. Testing them out. Testing them out. Man. We're going to get this video on here. Maybe we can get a video with me whipping this thing. Here. Okay. Let's see how we do this here. Okay, we might be able to do this here. Alright. Side here. Alright. Land is totally. Alright, WWJ whipping with Joe. See if we can get the stroll in here. I'm trying this drag here. Whoa. Break the rod. You want to break the rod. You want to break the rod here. Got the E-Tech. That's that bad, Jack. Back that my mouth. What more braid in here? Wow. Wow. Action. Action. That is funny. WWJ, we're good to go. We're not a turtle. What can I say? Yeah. Elite Tech. Elite Tech. Daiwa. You go. Aloha. Wow. Action.